Understanding Houses in Astrology, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of astrology, houses. If you've ever been curious about what houses mean in astrology and how they influence your birth chart, you're in the right place. Let's unfold this cosmic mystery together and make it easy to understand, even if English isn't your first language. In astrology, a birth chart or natal chart is like a snapshot of the sky at the moment you were born. This chart is divided into 12 segments, known as houses. Each house represents a different area of your life, such as relationships, career, and personal growth. The positioning of planets and zodiac signs within these houses influences your personality and life events. Think of the houses as the stage where the drama of your life unfolds, with the planets as actors and the zodiac signs as their roles. Let's take a quick tour through the 12 houses and their meanings. First house, the house of self. This house is about your identity, appearance, and the way you present yourself to the world. Second house, the house of value, focuses on your values, possessions, and financial matters. Third house, the house of communication, governs communication, siblings, short trips, and early education. Fourth house, the house of home and family, relates to your home life, family, and emotional foundation. Fifth house, the house of pleasure, covers creativity, romance, entertainment, and children. Sixth house, the house of health, concerns your health, daily routines, and work environment. Seventh house, the house of partnership, deals with relationships and all forms of partnerships, including marriage. Eighth house, the house of transformation, focuses on transformation, sexuality, death, and shared resources. Ninth house, the house of philosophy, relates to higher learning, travel, and your belief systems. 10th house, the house of career, pertains to your career, reputation, and public image. 11th house, the house of friendships, governs friendships, groups, and aspirations. 12th house, the house of the unconscious, deals with the unconscious mind, secrets, and things hidden from view. Understanding the houses in your birth chart can provide insight into various aspects of your life. Here's a simplified way to start. 1. Obtain your birth chart from a reputable astrology website or consult an astrologer. 2. Identify the sign on the cusp of each house. This sign influences the area of life that house governs. 3. Look at which planets are in each house. They add more detail to the story each house tells. We hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of astrological houses and their impact on our lives. Remember, astrology is a complex field, but understanding the basics of houses can be a great starting point for deeper exploration. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.